Buy international power adapters. Power adapters are commonly used for any electronic gadget. They are a must-have for people who are always traveling. They is also used by people who use appliances made initially for other regions. Different countries have different types of power outlets. This is why these power adapters are convenient for the international use of electrical appliances. If you are planning to travel, it is best to be equipped with international power adapters for all your electronic gadgets. A power adapter is not a transformer or a voltage converter. It is a mechanical device that serves to connect or fit together two parts of an apparatus. It also permits the use of a device to adapt its plug shape to another. Adapters are very convenient as they can eliminate the need for bringing several plugs. One example of an international power adapter is the Global Power Adapter Travel Kit. It is ideal for international travelers. It includes 5 adapter plugs that can be used in countries such as Africa, Europe, Asia, Middle East, Australia, and even the Caribbean. Another international power adapter is the Ebags Universal Plug Adapter Kit. This is one of the finest international power adapters. It can be used in over 150 countries and is considered to be an all-in-one product. Produced by a company in Switzerland, this international plug is designed to adapt to different plug shapes. It can be used for a variety of electrical machines regardless of the primary source. Here are some ways to obtain international power adapters. Browse online. There are a lot of websites that sell international power adapters. There are online sites that provide products to make traveling a fun and less stressful activity. These websites have a large selection of travel converters, power plugs and other electrical machines for traveling. Check local stores. There are a number of local stores that also sell international power adapters. You can check out shops like Best Buy, Circuit City, and Radio Shack. These 3 stores have a large range of electronic equipment and are bound to stock power adapters. You can specify what type and they will supply you with what you need. You can even compare their prices and features so you can get the most out of your budget. Read electronic magazines. There are a lot of electronic magazines that showcase electronic devices such as power adapters. They also indicate their features and prices, which can be very convenient. Some magazines even list electronic shops so you can contact them first to inquire. You can ask what their available power adapters are and their prices. In this way, you can save time and energy in your search. There are a lot of sources for buying international power adapters. No matter what country you need to go to, having this adapter will surely come in handy. It can be used for battery chargers, hair dryers, laptop computers, or any other portable electronic device. Most power adapters do come with a voltage converter for different countries. They may even come with their own storage pouch for added convenience.